How to share all liked songs on Spotify. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To share all of the liked songs on your Spotify, you can head over and check out your Spotify application. Now you will find all of the liked songs in your library. If you tap on your library, at the top you will see liked songs. Here you will find every songs that you have liked so far. But as you can see, we cannot directly share with our friends or family. What we need to do is we actually have to create a new playlist. In order to do so, just tap on the plus sign icon and click on playlist. Here I have created a playlist named Liked. I've already transferred 2 of the songs. Now what you need to do is firstly make a playlist, then just go ahead and add music to this playlist. You can type on liked songs, then select on the music and click on add to another playlist and select on like. By this way, you can transfer it into the liked playlist. Then you can easily share with by tapping on the share icon. You can share via various of platform as well. Or he can even add collaborators so that they can also add their favorite music into this playlist. So this is how you can share all your liked song on Spotify. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.